It is going to be a 4-step process to fix 0x800704cf. Go to Start. Type WS reset. Click here to open. Wait for the Windows Store to be repaired. Now close it. Again go to Start. Then type PowerShell. Click here to open it. Now type this command carefully. And then hit enter. Wait for some time. Then close it. Now go to Start and open Settings. Select Apps. Then search for Microsoft Store. Double click on it. Now click here to reset. Wait for some time and then close it. Again go to Start and type CMD. Right click on it, then run as administrator. Now type these commands: net stop WUAUSERV and hit enter. Then net stop crypt SVC, hit enter. Then type net stop bits and hit enter. Then type net stop MSI server and hit enter. Now type net stop app ID SVC and hit enter. Now type this path, then this one. Then start all services one by one. At the last, type exit and hit enter. That's it guys. Your problem will be solved. You're good to go.